Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery of the Galaxy Tab 3 of 7 inches. You will need these keys for remove the back cover. They are very cheap. You will find it in AliExpress or eBay, for example. And what more? Screwdrivers. One normal of small screwdriver, you see, normal one, and that one. Okay, let's start. We're gonna use one of these keys for quit the back cover. So you have to put into the frame and the glass that key, like that, you see, and you have to hear that it's opening. Oh, you hear it's opening. Okay, that's one side. Now the other side. Oh, you hear it opens easy. Okay, now the bottom, not the top, okay? We can try with another key to open it. There you have, it's opening. Now again these sides for quit it completely. Okay, now it's open, you see? Now only with your hands you quit it, and you can help with the keys here, for example. Okay, now we quit it. Shit. And pull up. Don't worry, the glass won't broken, won't crash. You can help again you with the keys. Okay, there you have. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 2, and there is the cover. Some people quit the frame first and the cover, back cover, but they don't know that they are breaking these cells. Okay, we don't need that. Now with that screwdriver we're gonna disconnect the battery. Very easy. Only put that and pull up. There you have. You saw it? Okay, again. We put the screwdriver there and pull up. Okay, there we have. And now the battery has 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we will use the other screwdriver for quit the screws. Okay, let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 1, 2, 3, and the last one. Four. Okay. Now to quit the battery, then we show that plastic here and we pull up, and nothing more. We quit the old battery. Okay, now I'm gonna there we have the new battery, the same as the original, and nothing. We will put it there, we will screw here these 4 screws and we'll connect, yeah, and nothing more. For other info, I'm gonna show you that there we have the 2 speakers. We have to quit all the screws for disconnect the speakers. There we have the date of the production. There we have 2013 year. There are the processors and other things like the GPU. This cable will go to the screen, the colors and others. What more? At this side, nothing. This other cable will go to the camera. This cable to the sensor, that light sensor. This cable is the crystal, the touch screen. What more? And that cable is for the buttons of block, volume up, volume down, and the speaker for those noise, because here at the bottom we have another speaker. So that's all, my friends. Very easy to change the battery. I'm gonna put the new battery and assemble again the tablet. Okay. Please like the video if it was helpful to you, subscribe if not, and we will see in another video. Okay, there is. Bye bye.